how to fix Instagram call problem. Hello guys, in today's short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the call in your Instagram. So this video is gonna help you a lot. Keep watching until the end. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. Go back, click on the apps manager, open the apps page and then go to the Instagram. Now you have to click on this force stop right here. After you click on the force stop, now click on the storage and click on this clear data and clear cache. Go back again. Now you have to do one last thing, which is click on the power usage details and then disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. That's it guys. Now you have to restart your phone and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.